What's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. I don't even remember what I'm supposed to say at the beginning, but welcome back. Today we are doing a Halloween DIY video where I picked up a couple of cheap items. Some of the things are from Walmart, but most of the things are from the dollar store. But anyway, we're taking some cheaper Halloween decor and making it into something a little bit better, but like something that's not super expensive. If you go to like Walmart, you go to HomeSense, you go to Winners, you go to anywhere that sells like Halloween decor, it's like really expensive, especially if you get it from like a Halloween like specific store. Those things are crazy priced. They're just like priced like sky high. So we're taking some cheap things and making them look cool. So without further ado, I'm gonna stop rambling and we're going to get on to the DIYs that I have for you today. So DIY number one, we have this plastic skull. It has like holes in it and stuff. I got this at the dollar store for $2 and I thought it would make a really cool like I thought it would make a cute like sugar skull. So what we're gonna do is paint this white with some white acrylic paint from the dollar store. I was planning actually on painting the designs on with paint, but then we came across this set of stickers, which is literally perfect. It has the flowers, it has the dots, it's all colorful for like a sugar skull. So I was like, dang, we're gonna use that. So we're gonna use these rhinestone stickers, stick them on after this is painted white, and hopefully it looks really cute. I think it's gonna look really cool, especially at night if you set a candle underneath. We'll get some night shots of this as well as some cool like well-lit shots so you can see it. Number two, we are going to be taking, it's not the same kind of decor as the other kind of things, but I thought this would be a cute thing to do and really easy and really cheap and, you know, add a little bit of spookiness to your kitchen. So we got this $2 dish towel. I was hoping for plain white, but white and black, that'll fit the bill for this DIY. On Etsy, I got these patches for $3, and what we're gonna do is iron these on here and make it look like a cute like Halloweeny dish towel kind of thing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use all of them or if I'm just gonna use one. I haven't quite decided, so we'll figure that out as we go along, but it's gonna be like a cute kitchen towel, essentially. So for this next one, we are going to take this $1.50 plastic champagne flute. My idea is to take this cup part out of it. We might have some trouble, but I think we can do it. And I want to paint this white. Then we're going to put a cool looking candle on it. Hopefully that will work. it is about these buckets, but I freaking love them. I feel like it's nostalgic because growing up, we always had like a bucket that looks just like that. Actually, we still have it in my parents' basement. We used to just store all the Halloween makeup in it, and we used to just call it the Halloween bucket. I love these buckets, so we picked up 3 of these at Walmart for $1.98 each, and we're going to stack them together, cut some holes in the bottom, and make like this cool like lantern type situation. Just to make the top look a little more finished, I have this witch's hat that I got at the thrift store years ago. I wore it in a couple of videos back when I had brown hair, so I had that for a few years. Anyway, so we're gonna put that on the top, and we're gonna have this cute little Halloween decor thing that you can like put on your doorstep or put inside somewhere, and like you can light it up at night. So it's not like something like super spooky, it's like more of one of those cheesy kind of decorations, but I'm into that, so that's what we're doing. Did I have a chin before?
There was some chin.
No!
Just kidding, there's no chin.
Watching all the way to the end of this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there, and let me know in the comments down below what your favorite DIY was. I like am stupidly proud of like all of them. I think they all turned out like super well. I really like the what the heck, I really like all of them. I really like all of them. So let me know in the comments if any of you guys recreate these DIYs slash upcycles, and maybe let me know if you guys want to see any more like upcycling dollar store stuff, because I think it's really fun. So let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I think that's it for today. So make sure to check out all my other channels. I have a couple of other ones and all my social medias, which is linked down below as well. Or you can just find me, just search up @FallonFraser like in any social media platform, and I'm probably gonna be there. So make sure to check those out, and I will see you guys very soon with a brand new video. Bye!